Using hashtag in your videos is an easy and effective way to boost visibility and help viewers discover related content. You can play hashtag in two primary locations. First, you need to go to your YouTube channel and click on your channel logo. Then go to YouTube Studio. And then go to Content. So, hover over this video and click on it and click on View on YouTube. So you see there is right now no hashtag over here. So I will show you how you can add hashtag. Click on Edit Video. You can add hashtags on title. So I will add hashtag here, and like here I got put. In the description box you can add hashtags anywhere. I most commonly use the hashtag in the description. From now on, I'll be adding hashtags using my channel name so you can easily find this video along with my other content. YouTube allows you to add up to 15 hashtags in your video description. However, it's recommended to use 3 to 5 relevant hashtags per video. The first 3 hashtags in your description will appear above the video title. Click on Save on top right corner. Hover the video and click on it. Scroll down and click on More, so you will see my channel hashtags over there. Click on it. So you see right now my video under SarinaTech hashtags. If you wish to add more hashtag, click on the video and click on Edit Video. And then I will add more hashtag like Power BI. And add one more hashtag data analysis. And then click on Save. Click on the video. You will see 3 hashtags over here and click on More so hashtags will be highlighted on blue color. Thanks for watching.